In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a complete backup of your iPhone using iCloud. It's a really simple process and it works exactly the same way no matter which iPhone model you're using. Let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see your name along with your Apple account info. Go ahead and tap on that section. Now you're inside your Apple ID settings. Scroll down just a little until you see iCloud. It's usually the fifth option in the list. Tap on it to continue. You'll now see a few different options related to iCloud. The main one we're interested in is iCloud Backup. Tap on that to open it. First, check that the toggle for backup this iPhone is turned on. If you want to be able to back up when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, you can also enable backup over mobile data. That part is optional, but good to have if you need it. You'll notice there's also a Backup Now button, but don't tap that just yet. Right above it, you'll see when your last backup was completed. Before starting a new one, let's make sure everything you want is actually being backed up. Go back to the main iCloud screen and look for the section labeled Saved to iCloud. This is where you can pick and choose what gets included. Scroll through the list, you'll see things like Messages, Calendar, Contacts, and a bunch of your apps. If anything is turned off, just tap to switch it on. This way, all your important data gets saved. Once you've gone through and enabled everything you want, head back to iCloud Backup. Now go ahead and tap Backup Now. Your iPhone will start creating a fresh backup right away. Depending on how much data you have, it might take a few minutes. When it's finished, you're all set. Later, if you get a new iPhone and sign in with the same Apple ID, you'll be able to restore this backup and have all your apps, settings, and data exactly where you left them. And that's how you back up your iPhone to iCloud. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.